Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we're out here in front of our shop and I see some similarities here. I like it, and I like it for a couple reasons. Toyota has brought this in fruition. 3 years ago when we built this truck for SEMA for Toyota, we never knew that Toyota maybe was planning to come up with some of the similarities, or maybe this truck influenced Toyota for some of the similarities. But our red badging across the front here, red badging across the front over here, our factory OEM fender flares that we did not like the camo on, we decided to do a gloss black. There's the gloss black fender flares right there on the new TRD Pro. One of the things that we did that I didn't want to depend on in these TRD Pros is I can put this badging on any of these vehicles and I can tell you that it's a TRD Pro. One of the things that you couldn't do is do this, and this was an idea that I had 3 years ago to stamp it in the rear tailgate of the Sequoia. And it's funny that we were in SEMA, and when we were in SEMA, all the engineers and people walked up and they were touching it and they're looking at it, and some of the people that weren't engineers said, wow, Toyota did such a great job with that. And I said, no, Toyota didn't do that. That was something we did here at the shop. It was something we did to make this truck unique, special, and all that. Like we painted all the badging black and then did all the red where it was blue back in here. We painted this satin black inner piece here, gloss black, and that was to tie in with the taillights and stuff here, so it all tied in together. Then I walk over here to this new 6th gen, gloss black across the back, TRD stamping down here into the tailgate. Some of the similarities that I now see, the black into the taillights to match the black into here, the stamping in the back to make it really pure. Those are some of the things that we had thought of back in 2022, being this was the very first released TRD Pro in the country, that we decided that we were going to make it unique and special in some of the things that we did to it, and to now see it today here in a smaller version. Pretty cool. What do you guys think? Did Toyota have this idea 3 years ago prior to our vehicle ever coming out? Did Toyota see this and get some of the idea from that? Or do Westcott Designs and Toyota Corporation just align alike or think alike? What are your thoughts? We want to hear from you.